A little something, something, something like.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I want you going through. I wanna be
So as you saw, I set my timer for 30 minutes. Since I've got egg in my hair, I don't want it to cook. So I'm just going to leave it in for 30 minutes, but you can see how defined and plump and juicy my curls are looking. Like, this treatment was long overdue, so I'm definitely going to be doing this hair mask more often because it seems to be very moisturizing so far. I am going to be blow drying my hair, so you won't see my curls afterwards. I might be able to get a few clips in of me rinsing it out and seeing the fresh curls. I'll probably get that in, but you're not going to see a twist out or a braid out because I am going to be doing a protective hairstyle. So most likely there will be a video on that. I'm going to be doing a single braid. So yeah, I'll show you guys the results, and then yeah, but this hair mask is definitely something I recommend for all hair types. I think all hair types, come on, all the nutrients it has. I'll list the I would have listed the benefits as we went along, but it's so good for your hair, so good. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just wanted to talk about the hair mask because I realized I didn't say anything afterwards regarding it and the differences I found in my hair. So I just want to have a quick chat so you guys actually know how the hair mask works and the benefits and stuff like that. My thoughts on it. I think that hair mask is A1, number one. Like, my hair was so soft after using that, despite blow drying it afterwards. Like, it was super soft, super moisturized and stronger as well because of the protein. You've got the mayo and you've got the egg as well. So I think my hair just needed protein, and because I've got low porosity hair, I tend to not to add that much protein, but it's actually beneficial for you to have protein. You just have to be careful not to go protein overload. So I will do this mask like once a month. I think that's a good amount of time to do it. It's not too often, but it's enough that your hair is strengthened over time, and it's soft and defined. And another thing I noticed is that the curls popped so much. Like, there was way less frizz of my hair, way less frizz. So when I was styling it the following week, when I had my hair curly, it was much more defined. And even styling it, I filmed this video about 3 weeks ago, the hair video, and I styled my hair last weekend, and I still feel the effects of that particular mask because it was still hella defined. There wasn't any frizz when I was washing my hair. It wasn't that much frizz compared to how frizzy my hair was before. So I do recommend, if you're suffering from frizz, my hair was more shiny, so if you feel like your hair's a bit dull, definitely use that because the honey adds shine to your hair as well. Overall, just a really good mask. It has all the benefits, all the nutrients in it that you need for your hair, so I definitely recommend it. Definitely try it out. Tips, I would say make sure it's properly blended. No bits, because it'll be really hard to wash out. And number two, I would say don't add heat because you've got egg and the egg will cook in your hair. So I wouldn't recommend leaving this mask on for more than 30 minutes in my opinion, because after that amount of time, especially with a plastic bag on your head, the heat will start cooking your egg, will start cooking the egg in your hair. So I don't recommend it for that. But overall, another great mask. If you guys want me to try out any other DIY masks, let me know and I'll try it out, because that was actually really fun to do. Quite enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.